Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to replace the axle vent on a first-gen Toyota Tacoma. A similar procedure also applies to the third-gen Toyota 4Runner and may apply to other Toyota models as well. Eventually these vents can fill up with debris or rust up, becoming plugged. This doesn't allow the differential to vent, causing excess pressure to build up and will slowly push fluid out of the seals, either at the axles or pinion. This is shown by residue gathering around or below the seal areas. For this truck, as you can see, the residue comes down from the pinion area and works its way back to the differential pot. If you're only noticing residue around the differential pot, but it's dry up at the pinion area, unfortunately this can mean that the differential has rotted out, which is very common on these trucks. The vent is located on the top of the differential. The cap should be movable, and as you can see, this one is stuck. Therefore, it's most likely plugged. After tapping it around with a hammer, I did eventually break it loose. However, a new vent is only about $10, so it's not really worth the risk. I'm currently in the process of cleaning up the differential, removing the rust, and getting ready for paint. You should clean around the vent area to prevent any chance of foreign contaminants falling inside the differential. Using a 14mm wrench, a deep socket will work as well. Loosen the vent. Then, using compressed air, blow away any loose debris. Completely remove the vent. Of course, you can install a hose barb and then run the vent up higher so you're able to drive through deeper water without worrying about water contaminating the oil. However, I'm just getting this truck ready for the road, and that may be a project for the future. I have applied a light amount of medium grade thread locker to the new vent. Install and tighten. And as you can see how the spring-loaded vent cap operates. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.